Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. It's the end of the year and we always get questions about flex spending accounts and health savings accounts. And we have, which one do we have? For the, you have a flex spending account for
Yes. I didn't think which one?
Yeah, so we use it for Gage's supplies, for his ostomy supplies and things like that. So it's a great way to save money pre-tax. So, but we use it for his medical supplies, for his ostomy supplies, but you can buy first aid supply with those accounts. Now, your flex spending account is going to expire at the end of the year. So if you don't spend that money, you're going to lose it. Your health savings accounts, typically you can roll those over to next year. But we always get questions about, can we buy first aid supplies and kits, things like that, with your account?
One of the questions we always get asked is if you can buy trauma kits with your health savings or flexible spending account. And you can get individual trauma supplies or the trauma kits. You just can't buy the individual bags. So if you want the bag, buy it with the supplies in it. You also can't get body armor with your flex spending account or your health savings account. So that's a no-no. Some great items that you can stock up on would be cold packs, heat packs, and the Coban wraps. These are items that you may go throughout the year. Just throw it down, it's fine. But these are things that you're going to use once and not be able to use again. So this would be a great time to stock up on these items, especially if you have kids in sports that are getting hurt randomly. You'll be prepared and ready to go. You can use your flex spending account and your health savings account to stock up on basic bandaging supplies, whether you buy it in bulk or you buy it in a kit. A few other things that would be good to stock up on right now are hand sanitizers, with it being sick season. These are great things to put in your kid's backpack, put in your car, purses, your man bags. We know y'all have them. We also have like triple antibiotic ointment. There's sting ampoules and the bee sting wipes. I know that right now the bugs are kind of dying down, but spring is going to come eventually, praise the Lord, and the bugs will be coming back out. So it's a good time to stock up on these items.
So as the year closes, we appreciate all the support you guys have given us as a small business. I'll put a link down below to medicalgearoutfitters.com. Thank you guys. So you never know when you'll be the first responder, maybe the right gear and the right training. Okay, perfect. We need to do a thumbnail.